Good morning. Today is June the 21st, 2012, and this is Jason Scott with the latest on the tropics, and we're focusing on a tropical disturbance in the southern Gulf of Mexico and in the Yucatan Channel. As you can well see by this satellite imagery, this is the water vapor loop. It's showing that the convection has really increased this morning, and it is flaring up. The system is becoming a bit better organized this morning, and it could possibly be turning into a tropical cyclone in the next few days as the system pushes off to the north and northwest. Everyone along the Gulf Coast, from Texas to southern Florida, should keep monitoring this system because some of the models are taking it into the Gulf. Some of them are taking it up into Florida. We have some into the Florida Panhandle, some over into the southeast part of Texas, into Brownsville. So there's no agreement on where this system is going. It could be anywhere between Brownsville, Texas, and the southern tip of Florida at this time. This system is very unpredictable of where it's going to go. There is a trough that could bring it up to the northeast, and that's questionable at this time. There's another area of a trough in the Texas area that could pull it off to the west. So there are several scenarios that could happen with the system, but we just don't know where the system is likely to go. We do know it's going to take some time to get this system through the Gulf of Mexico because of the steering currents. Steering currents are very weak in the system, and once it gets into the Gulf of Mexico, it's going to be around for several days over the central Gulf. And as we know, the Gulf temperatures are very warm at this time. Temperatures in the Gulf is in the mid-80s, and it's in perfect conditions for the system to or has ample opportunity for this system to develop into a cyclone. Some of the models, especially the CMC, is intensifying this storm into a hurricane. In fact, that particular model is even showing it becoming a significant hurricane as it pushes off into the Texas coastline. So that's one model that we're looking at. And the other models are saying that the intensity of the system is going to be a minimal hurricane to a strong tropical storm. So again, everyone on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, Louisiana, Texas, Alabama, and Florida should monitor the progress of the system very closely this weekend, as conditions will change as it pushes off to the northwest. We are not making a prediction of where the system is going at this time. We're just saying that once it gets into the Gulf, it's going to be, it could possibly stall there for a few days before it makes up its mind where it's going. That's the latest we have on our tropical disturbance that's in the southern Gulf of Mexico this morning. Thanks for joining us, and have a great afternoon.